Hi, my name is Michael Webb, and I'm going to be presenting about the Housing Opportunity Finder tonight. So across the U.S., low-income families are struggling to find affordable housing, especially affordable housing that's in opportunity neighborhoods. Now, what are opportunity neighborhoods? Now, these are neighborhoods that have low crime rates, good schools, access to jobs, recreation facilities, and characteristics like that. So a recent study found that only 5% of low-income families actually live in these high opportunity neighborhoods. Now, why is that a concern? So research has consistently shown that living in high opportunity neighborhoods has beneficial impacts on health, well-being, and economic livelihood. And these impacts are especially strong for children that grow up in opportunity neighborhoods. And recent research has shown that they grow up to have better health and better paying jobs. So in response to this gap, the fact that only 5% of low-income families live in high opportunity neighborhoods, we developed the Housing Opportunity Finder. So the Housing Opportunity Finder combines a collaborative and community-driven process with an accessible web app product. So that process is we work with the community and identify community partners, particularly around the affordable housing space. We hold focus groups with residents in the community to understand how they define opportunity neighborhoods. And we take their feedback and we marry it with data to identify different opportunity neighborhoods within a community. Once we've done that, we work with existing rental listings that are provided by a partner of ours, a technological partner of ours, that also provides call center support for housing seekers and for landlords looking to list their affordable units. Those listings are then prioritized by whether or not they're in opportunity neighborhoods. So if they're in an opportunity neighborhood, they show up first. And there's some demarcation on the website showing that that unit is in an opportunity neighborhood. And then we work with our community partners to market the Housing Opportunity Finder to their clientele, who are likely going to be users of the website itself. So right now I'm going to turn it over to Ms. Emila Sutton. She's the director of the Orange County Department of Housing and Community Development, which is where we've implemented the pilot Housing Opportunity Finder.
The Housing Opportunity Finder is incredibly helpful for people in Orange County and connecting them to affordable units for multiple reasons, but I'm going to share a couple here. The existing options for affordable housing search are quite lacking. Craigslist, as we all know, has a lot of scams, and it's hard for folks to differentiate between what is a scam and what is an actual listing. And then those more targeted sites that are available lack that really great and rich neighborhood data that the Housing Opportunity Finder provides, such as proximity to hospitals, public transportation, grocery stores, all those things that are really important to people when they're looking for where to live and where to put their family, right? So there are also a lot of stale listings on those sites. And one of the big advantages of the Housing Opportunity Finder is that it leverages a lot of the existing resources and infrastructure around affordable housing in Orange County, such as the Housing Access Coordinator. The Housing Access Coordinator is a staff position that's paid for jointly by the towns and the county that provides that landlord liaison position between people in active housing search, agencies helping people in active housing search, and landlords. And they also maintain listings on the Housing Opportunity Finder, are constantly updating the listings to make sure the data has a lot of integrity and that the listings are fresh, and is able to solicit also listings from landlords through this tool. And it also works really well in tandem with local programs such as the Orange County Landlord Incentive Program that provides a $1,000 lease signing bonus to landlords that are accepting vouchers, and also the Emergency Housing Assistance Fund, which is a jointly funded program that provides eviction and homelessness prevention through utility and rent arrears, and then also through paying security deposits for people to access affordable listings. So the Housing Access Coordinator oversees all of this, and it really all works well together to provide all of the needed supports to people who are in need of affordable housing.
Thank you, Emila. So just a little bit of background about our team. We are based at the UNC Center for Urban and Regional Studies, and our team brings community engagement, data analysis, and project management experience. So what we've done so far is we launched the pilot Housing Opportunity Finder in Durham and Orange Counties here in North Carolina on March 13th, 2020, which was a great day to launch a website. And we've explored in the past year bringing the Housing Opportunity Finder to additional communities, both in North Carolina and across the US. Why we're excited to present here tonight is we're looking for some business mentorship opportunities, connections to bring the Housing Opportunity Finder to new communities, again, both in North Carolina and across the U.S., and funded for ongoing site maintenance for our pilot site here in Durham and Orange Counties, and the staff support that also is connected with that. So thank you. Here's my contact information. If you've got any questions or are interested in bringing the Housing Opportunity Finder to your community, feel free to be in touch.